She screamed. What looked like a harmless, squishy toy had just exploded across her face. Within seconds, she was rushed to the hospital with serious burns. The shocking part, it wasn't a defective toy. It was something millions of kids have probably seen online. Earlier that day, she and her siblings watched videos claiming that putting a squishy toy in the microwave would make it even softer. It sounded harmless, just a few seconds. One child even counted down before hitting 3, 2, 1. When the timer ended, nothing looked wrong. The toy wasn't smoking. It wasn't melted. It still felt completely normal. Then someone squeezed it, and instantly, the toy burst open. Scalding gel blasted onto her face and hands like burning glue. Because the gel was thick and sticky, it didn't simply splash off. It clung to her skin and kept burning. Her family later described desperately trying to pull the hot gel away while cooling the burns. So how could something so soft become so dangerous? The shell of the toy can hide what happens inside. Microwave energy heats the gel from the inside out. Even if the outside feels safe, the center can become dangerously hot. The pressure builds. The moment the toy is squeezed, it can rupture without warning. That's why the real danger isn't obvious until it's too late. Health experts and safety authorities have warned against heating these toys, especially after similar incidents linked to online trends encouraging children to microwave them. A few seconds of curiosity can become months of recovery. If you have one of these toys at home, don't microwave it. Not for 5 seconds, not for 15, not even once, because the next viral experiment could end in an emergency room. The internet is full of dangerous trends. I expose the ones that can actually hurt people. Subscribe for more stories you need to know. And share this before someone else tries it. Thanks for watching.